How to make cinematic videos in Reelshot. Want to create videos that look like movies? Here's how to make cinematic videos in Reelshot. Start by selecting clips with good lighting and interesting scenes. Use the aspect ratio tool to set 21:9 for a classic cinematic look. Add smooth transitions between clips for seamless flow. Use slow motion or fade ins and outs to enhance the mood. Finally, add background music that fits the vibe of your video. Have you tried making cinematic videos? Share your tips in the comments below. Shoot videos in landscape mode for the best cinematic effect. And that's how you can make cinematic videos in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.